Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're here with GeniusWigs once more. So the same box as usual. This is the wig. Before we get into that, I got a couple of stuff in the box. So I got a wig cap. This comes in pretty much all my hair packages. It's always good to get this, it's definitely a wig essential. I got this cute headband or headscarf, whichever one you want to call it. I got a edge brush and comb, and what else I got? Elastic band if you need extra security, and I got one more of these clips. So I'm definitely gonna add that to my collection. That's everything that came in the box. So today's wig that we're working with, this is a new upgrade wig it's a 14-inch bob, and it's the HD lace grown hairline versatile wig. Okay, so it's not the first time I'm showing you a versatile wig from Genius Wigs, but they've upgraded the lace. It's really nice. It came pre-plucked. It's 14 inches long, as I mentioned before. It's 180% in density, and trust me, it's amazing. The lace is Swiss HD lace, okay? And this is how the inside look. It has a total of 3 combs and an extra elastic band and adjustable straps. I was just so happy to how the hairline looked. It's very full too. So right here, what I'm showing you guys is just a quick comparison between what I'm showing over here is the Swiss HD lace. Okay, so that's what I'm pointing on, and I'm showing you how undetectable that is on my skin. Now the other one is the brown lace. Now the lighting is kind of washing it out a little bit, but I don't know if you could tell. I hope you can see, but the brown lace is definitely thicker. It does look okay, don't get me wrong, but the HD lace, it melts in way better. So I love that. So I proceeded to just putting this on. Can you tell how full this is? It's full right to the end, and they gave it that blunt cut, so it's really full. This was a medium cap, by the way, and it fit my head perfectly. I did take off a little bit at the ear portion. I don't mind that. It's better, it's longer than shorter, so I know that it will definitely fit. So I proceed to spraying my Got2b spray and just combing that in so that it doesn't run on my face, and kind of just start the whole meltdown process of this. Trust me, this wig, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it's because it came so nicely pre-plucked or what, but it applied super easy, and it was just super quick for me as well. I don't know what it was, if it was just the fact that it fit perfectly or what, but I was just happy. It was super convenient to install. So over time as well, I feel like, because you guys know I apply a lot of wigs, so the practice definitely helps me to move faster over time. So that definitely plays a big role in my applications. So I definitely will take that into consideration as well. So I just did the same thing over this side, obviously, and just repeated that. So I kind of, speeded up a little bit, because this is the very same thing that I just showed you guys on the other side, the previous side. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention to you guys was that the lace, it's actually pre-bleached. That's the next thing that just makes life way easier. It makes the lace melt in and look way more natural. So I mean, yeah, that's a plus. And as I said before, I feel like the thickness of this hair is just beautiful. After I blow dry the hairline and lay it down, I then take my elastic band as usual, which is a very important step to just help further with melting down the lace portion. And then I start just cutting away the excess lace. Now when you do this, you know that there are some the very edge part there can be lifted, so you can just go over that with a little bit of Got2b and spray it down. Look at that hairline, guys. If you do not want to do any edges, you do not have to, okay? So bear that in mind. Like, you really don't have to do any baby hairs, any swoops, no nothing. Look at how beautiful that is. That's gorgeous. And Genius Wig always coming through with the really nicely constructed wigs. I'm not gonna even lie. You guys, who's been here since day one, know. Like, if you've observed, like, that their wigs have always been of quality. So that's something that I really, really love about this company as well. So, oh, by the way, what I'm doing here is I took my hot comb and I started to just comb it in, and it was so satisfying for me to do this because it's like it just got it flatter and the hairline was just shining through. Like the pluck job on this was just effortlessly done. Of course, I'm gonna fix the parting later on so you can't detect where the wig cap underneath stops. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So this is literally all I took out for the swoop. It was a really light swoop. I really didn't want to do anything too heavy-handed, or I didn't want to do a lot of baby hairs because I was just loving the pullback vibe, you know? So this hair, right out of the packaging, it gives you that blow dried look. You could definitely proceed to flat ironing this. So that's why they call it a versatile wig, because you can either flat iron it, give it a straight look, or you can wet it up and do a curly look. Now in the past, I've definitely got versatile wigs from them before, and I showed you guys I've done where I blow dry it and I straighten it, and then I wet it up and I make it curly. So today I actually just show you guys it in its natural state, which which is more of a blow dried look. And I just proceeded right here to wet it up with some water and conditioner. So as I said, you can feel free to go ahead and flat iron it if that's the look you want to go for. I know I feel like the number one thing with this wig is that it will definitely help you to save money, because like sometimes people be like, when they get curly hair, can I straighten it? Because they would love to save money so they don't have to go out and like buy a straight wig, you know? So this definitely saves money. In a sense where you can wear it straight and you can wear it curly, and you don't have to worry about damaging the curls, because that's what it's made for, to be worn straight or curly. So you're getting the best of both worlds, literally. So that's what a top reason why I recommend this. I recommend this if you're really trying to save money and be cute and trendy at the same time. Look at that. So as I applied the water, or the mixture rather, it just started to curl up more and more, and it was just so beautiful. And so I combed out this part so you could see the difference, and that's how it's looking. So stunning. So as I say, you could definitely just straighten that side or just straighten the whole hair. I was so happy. I don't know. Seeing those curls made me so happy. So I quickly just proceeded to wetting up the next side. So both sides are now wet. And you see, like how I show you in its wet state, now you can literally just blow dry it and then proceed to straightening it. So it's totally up to you. By this time I had fixed the parting. I did that off camera. So yeah, that's literally it for this versatile wig. Sorry for my background noises, but I just had to come and let you know that yes, this wig as usual, it's a 10 out of 10. The hairline, super natural. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for really nice curly hair that's reversible. That's the most important part, the reversible part. You can blow dry this out back, and you can proceed to straightening it and not damage the curls. So please. So yeah, I'm gonna put the direct link to it so you can, you know, get it down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself.